Hi everyone, Andrew Elliott here, the product manager for Hideout and Retreat at the Hershey RV Show for 2023. I'm excited to show you guys today the 291BR, one of our tandem axle sport models that's brand new for this year. We are going to have lots of cool features in here, including our power package, which includes a power tongue jack, power stabilizer jacks, and a full power awning. And this model has a bunk room in the rear that is great for big family. Thank you guys for watching the video on the 291BR. To see more great content, be sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel or check out our website, keystonerv.com. Thank you guys for watching, and let us help you camp better.